That's right, that's the voice of Jadim right here on Flames Radio. This is the Up and Live show each and every week. We do it right here on Flames Radio, 8 p.m. And this week we have a very, very special guest all the way from Jamaica, and he's here in the UK this evening, and he stopped by to the Flames Radio Up and Live show. Good evening to you, Jadim. Welcome to the show. How are you doing today, brother?
There, man. Good, man. Everything up.
Everything is up, you know. Are you been keeping with the England? Because I heard that you just forward from Jamaica as well.
Oh, you're cool, man. Cool, man. I swear.
So is it your first time in the UK?
Yeah, man. My first time, man.
Okay.
First time.
How long have you been here now?
I'm there for a couple months now. Like 2 months now.
Okay. You finding it? How do you find it? The adjusting to a different type of climate and the scenery. How did you find it when you just came?
Yeah, man. You know, say you not really move because we go get it, you know, so we have to go out there and get it no matter how cold it is, is it? So we have to go out there and get it, man. You have to just jack it up on, you know?
That's right.
Yeah, man.
So for those who's watching right now and don't know anything about your music, don't know anything about your craft, can you just explain to the viewers and so on in a couple of seconds what kind of artist is Jadim?
Well, you know, Jadim is a dancehall artist, but you know, we try make the thing versatile. So we do a lot of different genre dancehall. Cause I don't know sing and DJ same way. So long time we are doing it, man. So just guitar ears, we there, man.
Yes, right. You're from Jamaica, as you said, as you can hear in your voice, obviously.
Yeah, man. Mobile, man.
Mobile.
Up my city, man. Like, you know.
You're from Montego Bay?
Yes, man.
You know, me vex with Montego Bayans right now. Me vex with everybody from Mobile because I don't know what's happening down here. What's going on in Mobile City right now?
For real, but big one thing me couldn't tell you because I'm not there for a while. And
true.
I see the thing I escalate away, but John, every man for themselves still.
Yeah.
You see, but the man them need to go and better differently. You
True
see,
that.
I'm not say that right, but every man for themselves, you understand?
So you being a dancer artist in the business, and you obviously, you said you've been in the business for a while, you said, right?
Yeah, man, couple of years now we are doing it, man.
So how long is that? About 2-3 years now?
About 4 years now.
Okay.
You see,
And how do you find, as you found that you've found growth, or is it not happening for you the way that you want it to?
yeah, man, the thing I grow small, it a grow gradually.
Okay.
You understand, but it a grow. I like what I see so far.
Definitely.
You understand, yeah, man.
So you started out in music, you say, from at what age?
Start out just as I leave high school, from a 16-year-old.
Okay, and you're roughly about 20 now.
I'm about 20 years old now.
Okay,
Yeah.
so listen, you see it, I guess it properly first time,
Yeah,
first
man.
go. So you've been doing it. So what encouraged you to try music? Was it the artists around you who you look up to when you were growing up?
Big man thing, we look up to whole heap of artists. We look up to Sizzla. We look up to Vybz Kartel himself. You see it? We look up to a lot of artists, Mobile artists same way, TJ, Rhyme Minister, the whole of them. You know, Shaney, the whole of them, Rygin King. Big up on yourself.
But it's funny you're seeing, because I know this artist, I heard of him quite a lot, but I've never seen him in person. Rhyme Minister, one of my favorite rhyming artists, as a lyrical artist, but for some reason the business kind of compress certain type of talents in the business, in the music industry. So I don't know if you find yourself in the same particular situation where your music is not being heard. Do you find struggles to get your music out there, i.e. like this track is playing the music in Jamaica?
Yeah, man, but we have to do our own thing. So me have to set the ground to play my music, you understand? If one door don't open, me have to knock it down, you know, so me see it. So we have people in the streets like DJ and here are doing thing. See DJ Vegas, the whole of them, big them up same way, DJ Tippy. Don't know the thing go, we have to set the grounds, and if our thing now play, we put it out there.
Yeah.
You understand? Because we have a movement named Cashbag. You understand? CBG Entertainment at that. You understand? Big up Sixers same way, J6. Because we are do our thing. You understand? So just look into it, man. We have a lot of thing going on.
That's right. So obviously you've seen both sides, because you've been in Jamaica and you said you come here for a couple of months now.
Yeah,
So you know how it is. The groundwork has to be putting in into Jamaica to get your music out there.
exactly. Yeah.
How did you find it since you've been here? Have you been doing any music since you're here, or are you just here on a promotional tour?
Yeah, man, that music you just play a while ago, it was done here.
Okay.
And another one called Dreams was done here as well. So from forward, I have done 2 songs. You understand? Just guitar ears.
Do you have a set amount of target to say, all right, see, I'm in England now, I'm going to accomplish this amount of tracks I need to do, this amount of video. Do you have a set rota that you have to do?
Of course, we have a set thing we want to get done, because we have an EP that come out called 6 Season EP. Look out for it, a crazy thing. So we have a goal, we have a target that we are going to reach, and we are going to reach it by January or forward. TK Armani, same we are doing thing. January, look out for the man thing.
Okay, the track that you were playing earlier on, what's the name of the artist that you featured with?
Yeah, man, TK Armani, man.
TK Amani.
Yeah, man, he's a British-based artist as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you intend to work with a lot of British artists while you're here, or you just
Yeah, man, we are do collaboration with few of them, man. You understand? Few of them, we are do it same way. Them forward, me hear them thing, from them sound good. You have to give people a strength, innit?
Okay, but who is your main pick that you say, all right, you would like to get the dream collab with you while you're in UK?
Big man thing. Tian Wayne.
Tian Wayne.
In real life, Tian Wayne, yeah.
Yeah, it's good artist as well.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but you
Yeah,
see,
man.
but who is doing it for you in the mainstream? Like in terms of the big guys like out there. Tian Wayne is obviously one,
Yeah.
and like, have you heard of any other artists since you've been here like mainstream? I don't want to give jinx. You want to tell me what you've heard of?
Yeah, man, we hear about enough artists. We hear about J Hus.
Yeah.
We hear about Krypton, Conan, Dave, the whole of them, man. You see, 'cause we have to do a research.
Like
Yeah.
in the dancehall fraternity, like which artist you would see yourself doing a collab with over here, like a UK based artist in the dancehall industry over here? Would you see yourself doing a collab with somebody in like the near future?
Well, yeah, we would have do collab with enough of them, man. But dancehall UK, what name? Tom Cruise. What are you the name again? Dan
Andre.
Andre. Yeah, man. Him a do him thing same way, man. Dan Andre. Would I do a collab with Dan Andre? Same way.
You have any more you wanna put to the list?
Or maybe you never know. No, you never know who's watching.
You never know who's watching, but-
fair. Yeah, man. But enough of them a do them things same way. So I know every man make your name right now, but you understand? Would I do collab
That's
with
perfectly
enough
fine. In terms like your image, where do you what direction you're going in terms of your image? Like, where you going, like the uptown scene of marketing, or you're going to just strictly Jamaican, the ghetto scene?
Streets. The streets. He's a streets guy.
Differently, me as a youth, where I like to target the whole scene. You understand? So I not do music and say, yo, at the ghetto alone, me I do it for.
I
We come
think-
from there, so but
I think what he's meant to say is that basically, what are you targeting your music to a special demographic? Say it's gonna be the young crowd, or are you gonna do everything that everybody in the family can listen to, like say the kids can listen to? Because some songs, obviously, I'm raving, I can listen to it for myself, but I won't necessarily play it for my son. Is
Exactly,
Jadim's music gonna be eligible to play into my house 4 o'clock in the evening when everybody's gathered around the fireside?
alright, I'm say something to you now. The way me pre-music, if you do music, you have to do music for everybody. You understand? You do music, do it for everybody. So, my music, you have music where you can stay, so you can in a year like a corner, you can rock to it.
Yeah.
You can in a party, you can rock to it. You can there on your family are rock to it same way.
That's right.
You understand? So I not sing music just for a set crowd, you understand? Yeah, man.
Okay, so all right. So what we do is when everybody comes to the studio right here, we normally put them to a test. That's a 2 minutes cameo. You can do whatever you want. So we're gonna be playing a beat, and I'm not gonna tell you what to do. You can do whatever when the beat drops in. All right. So this is the Upper Live show. This is Jadim, and he's live here from Jamaica, right here in Flames Radio. Dragon All Stars here. Let's see what's popping.
Yeah? No one. Ready now. never have it when me a go school. Couldn't find the box lunch, so me beat a one juice dog. Enough time me granny couldn't find the food, but me never complain. Man hold it as a youth, she said. See them me last till I send a go school, cause you have to be better. Can't come out as a fool, so me make up my mind, say me I go try to. Wait, I'ma come back to that one then. Alright then, bang like C4, Scabba detour, where I gotta give me deep. Alright. One man, make it run, man. Make it run. Alright then, bang like C4, Scabba detour. And that give me money keep flow. Credit card scheme low, check a keep low. Please note why yourself keep big note like C. 3 brown girl a free zone. Harry and Sally make calls, so me keep notes. Pro write checks like Betty G. Jones. Long time, so me sing finally. Hey, me sing finally. Jadim, me sing fine. Hey, hey, me sing finally. Tell her one time, when me dey on the grind, me never have a time. One time, I beat me one shoes, never yet screw. One time. I'm going out first.
I think you wanna go to the verse? Let me do the verse.
Alright then. Yo, hear what? Say, no more fly like the money fly ox, but them make money no. They problem me a fly hard. I never know say I saw my life would a sweet, my friend. Me a fly high up. Hard work every day, never know no shortcut. So me have to work smarter. Me a hate from my goal now pull out like a surfer. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna give you something that you're more used to, right? So we try to switch it up just now to see if you can actually cope with something random. I'm gonna give you something we know about, right? This is Jadim right here in the Flames Radio. This is Upper Live Show. You ready again?
Ready, man.
Okay, let's go.
Ready now. Here I am, Jadim. Here I say she never see a stunner like this. Big bad stunner like this. Yeah, love bike so she a go like this. Make you ride up on the night. Yeah, Jadim make she feel nice. I never make she feel like this. Yeah, turn off for me like a light switch. Can't tell me you never like it. Here man a stunner like me brother them G's. Girl I say she woulda give me peace. Jesus keep peace, that's enough for me be. You are the Jew and me are the Nazi. Please got me hang a cheap beat. Make a ball please feel like I'm in tea. Then I indeed proud of me real G. Tougher than a girl I better coulda make trees. Oh Jesus please, say she never see a stunner like this. Big bad stunner like this. Hey, love bike so she a go like this. Make it ride up on the night. Hey, Jaddy make she feel nice. Harmon never make she feel like. Hey,
A song bad. Hey, so you wanna continue?
Continue man, go on through.
Next 45 seconds. Let's see. This is Jadim right here in the Flames Radio. This is Up and Live Show. Ready again? Let's go.
Remember when me never have it, none a light in my room, just the lamp shade, damn it. Felt like me curse, like me life, them planet. Couldn't get a girl, them woulda tell my mind, me make them vomit. Felt like an alien from another planet. Didn't need to clean me life up, call me the janitor. Man I change dog and them can't stand it like OG. Man I rise, elevate like a propeller. When me say click, 666, tell me if he rise, spit some lyrics. I don't know each thing, this 6 fix, this fully loaded and I like Netflix stick. Me love my whole click, flinch, this, hey. Ready now? Go on through.
Respect him, man. That was absolutely crazy right now. You know, you actually passed the freestyle steps, because I was wondering if he's gonna be like get cold feet. Because sometimes we play some rhythm with some artists and they just get cold up and like what? I don't even know what to do right now. But people, if you're just joining us, we had Jadim right here on Flames Radio. He's live from Jamaica and he's in the UK right here doing crazy thing. We just played one of his singles. It's a feature. We're gonna be dropping a couple more of his songs throughout the course this coming month, January. So listen up live here on Flames Radio. He's going to be in the plug next week as well. So look out for that one. But Jadim, before we go, Can you just quickly tell people how to find you and find your music online for us, please?
YouTube, Young Knuckles Vivo. Instagram, the F Jadim, _ Jadim. You understand?
Can you just spell that for me, please?
THEJEFE _ JADEEM. Jadim. See?
That's right. Jadim, any last word you want to big up to anybody before you go? Because I know you have people listening right now. Big up a TG30, you know. Study.
Man, study. Big up the 4th Jenna himself, TG13. You understand? Big up the wildlife them same way. That a Glamadan militancy. J6, same way. Big up yourself. The man a do him things same way. You see it? Every man, big up them on the scene, man.
That's right. Thank you very much for passing through the Flames radio team.
Yeah, I mean,
and we do look
respect,
forward
man.
for big things for you for 2018 coming. And all the best with the music. And I hope you get the collab that you're looking for right here in the UK. Right?